For 70 years, it stood here, forgotten, silent. Once a highway giant, now claimed by rust and earth. Every inch tells a story of corrosion and endurance. Even the badge struggles to remember its name. The hood hasn't opened in decades. And beneath it, a frozen mechanical heart. Inside, time stopped in 1953. Dust settled where drivers once dreamed. Extraction begins, steel-resisting movement. For the first time in 70 years, it moves. Under bright lights, truth is revealed. This won't be a repair, it will be a resurrection. Piece by piece, history comes apart. To build again, we must first strip away. The frame carries scars of decades. But the structure still fights to survive. Rust is stripped away layer by layer. Beneath decay, strong steel remains. The engine is dismantled, bolt by bolt. Seized components, waiting for redemption. Precision replaces neglect. Old tolerances restored to factory strength. Fire meets steel. Structure returns to the backbone. Suspension rebuilt, strength reborn. Alignment restored, ready to carry weight again. Rod is cut away without mercy. Fresh steel welds seamlessly into history. Primer seals the past. For the first time, it looks whole. Original Oxide Red returns. Color brings back identity. Chrome reflects more than light. It reflects pride. The cabin breathes again. Gauges glow like waking eyes. One turn of a key, and 70 years of silence shatter. Steel moves under its own power. Legends don't fade, they wait.